Yes. So we will carry forward from the last parikarmas, what we do. Today we'll talk about the two parikarmas, that is Maitri, friendliness, and Karuna, compassion. So how we can inculcate these two parikarmas, which are very important to have a good relationships with everyone around and for our peace of mind, which we all are working towards. सबको चाहिए कि मन की शांति कैसे रहे, सबको चाहिए कि हमारे रिलेशनशिप्स सबके साथ अच्छे रहने चाहिए. तो उसके लिए ये पतंजलि ने हमको 4 keys and 4 locks दिए हैं. तो what are the locks? 4 locks are सुख, दुख, पुण्य, अपुण्य. और इनकी कीज हैं फ्रेंडलीनेस, दैट इज मैत्री, दुख की है करुणा, पुण्य की है मुदिता, दैट इज डिलाइटफुलनेस, एंड अपुण्य की है उपेक्षा, एंड दैट इज इग्नोरेंस. सो टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट मैत्री एंड करुणा, कि हम अपने लाइफ में इसका कैसे यूज करें सो दैट इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू अस. So how should be our behavior towards people who are successful, happy and famous, who are doing much better than us? Do we feel jealous? Do we feel envy? It may be like हम कहेंगे कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं, relatives का देख के या your sister, your brother doing good, you won't feel jealous or this thing. But relatives, far of relatives or neighbors or some celebrity, someone doing too good, you don't like that person, but then they are doing really good. They may not be doing good karmas also, but they are prospering. तो क्या आता है मन में विचार? Somewhere you feel, why them? Why not me? Why can't I get what they are getting? So for a brief moment, for a brief second, that thought crosses us. But when that thought crosses, it just depletes our energy. The moment this thought crosses, हमारी energy कम हो जाती है, and we get that negativity in us. The moment that negativity आती है, हमारी frequencies low हो जाती हैं. For example, very small example I will give you. If we love sweets a lot, my example I am giving you. If I love sweets a lot, but for some reason I can't eat the sweets. For any reason, I have promised myself not to eat sweets, or I am a diabetic, though I am not, but I am giving an example. If I am a diabetic, I can't eat sweets. If one of you are eating rasgulla, gulab jamun, and I am like, oh my God, ये लोग तो खा सकते हैं, I can't eat, why can't I eat, और ये क्यों खा सकते हैं टाइप्स, और वो एक थोड़ी सी jealous, envy या some feeling अगर आ जाए, तो what I am doing to myself? I am just bringing down that energy, and जिस चीज के लिए I am not eating, that negativity will increase more. So these are the problems when we think negatively about something or someone. Karuna, compassion. Nowadays, how things are going on, we all know, and सबसे ज़्यादा अभी हमें compassion की ज़रूरत है for people around us. So if someone is in lots of dukha, unhappy, so हम लोग क्या सोचेंगे कि यार ये उनके पिछले जन्म का कर्मा है, शायद उनके संस्कार है, तो भुगत रहे हैं. No, we should not be saying this. Instead of that, we should be very, very much compassionate towards these people. You should give a good ear to them, what they are going through. हम कुछ और अगर नहीं कर सकते तो उनकी सुन लो बस. अगर उनके हम सुन भी लेंगे तो उनके दुख थोड़े से हल्के हो जाएंगे. So that compassion we should be showing to them. And like in the times of Karuna and all, if your neighbors are going through a difficult time, so what can you do? You can't do anything else but then prepare a food for them, keep it outside their door. So these small things, if we do to them, and we should not be judging them कि why इनको क्यों हुआ, and they were like reckless or they were careless. No, don't judge them. It is, you are no one to judge anyone. No one, we are no one to judge anyone. So this negativity, if we pamper in us or we develop in us this negativity, it is going to reduce our vibrations, frequencies, and this emotions of jealousy, envy and anger and hatred are not going to take us anywhere, and it is going to give us insomnia, it is going to increase the stress, it is going to increase the pain in our body. तो हमें अपने लिए being selfish, if nothing else, थोड़ा सा हम selfish हो जाएं और हम अपने आप को healthy रखें, अपना mind healthy रखें, body अपने आप healthy हो जाएगी. So with this thought process of Maitri and Karuna, that we have to inculcate these two feelings in us more and more, we will start our session of meditation. So everyone, take a position, sit comfortably, eyes gently close. आंखें बंद करिए. Keep your back straight, focus on your breath. Normalize your breathing first. We will start with 9 rounds of Anulom Vilom. I will give you the counts. And then we will do 25 to 50 rounds of Bhastrika. So take the Anulom Vilom position, everyone. Close your left nostril. Inhale from your left, right nostril close करिए, left से inhale करिए. In 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. 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 This is last round. In 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. In 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. And relax. Deep breaths. Remove your glasses before we start meditation. Whoever is wearing specs, please remove them. Now we'll do Bhastrika, 25 to 50 rounds, very mild, and just look at your own capacity and do it. It is a passive inhalation and active exhalation. Start. And relax. Keeping your eyes closed for all the time. Don't open your eyes. Hands clasped in each other, fingers together. We just have to focus on our breathing and nothing else. This is a Anapanasati meditation. Ana means in breath, apan is out breath, and sati with the flow. So when we do the in breath and out breath with a flow is known as Anapanasati meditation. It is a Buddhist form of meditation. We will invoke all the gods, our Adi Yogi, Lord Shiva, the Maha Avatar Babaji, and all the gurus and the angels which are around us, all the supreme beings, the gurus and the gods in whom you have complete faith, you can invite them for the meditation to do along with you, so that their energies, their blessings are with us. आती हुई श्वास और जाती हुई श्वासों पे अपना ध्यान रखिए. नॉर्मल ब्रेथ लेना है, फोर्सफुल ब्रीदिंग नहीं करनी है. Your breath may be shallow, it may be deep. Don't try to change it. It has to be your natural breath. Be aware of the temperature at the beginning of your nostril, at the tip of your nostrils. जैसे आप सांस अंदर लेते हो तो nostril के वहां पे you will feel that coolness, and when you breathe out you will feel the warmth of the air coming out. अपने सांसों को पहचानने की कोशिश करिए. Try to be friendly with your breath. Breath is the only bridge between our consciousness and our body. हमारे शरीर और आत्मा के बीच का अगर कोई सेतु है तो वो है हमारा श्वास. The negative energies, negative thoughts are very easy to come by. Normally 70% of the time we are thinking negative. Only 30% of the time we are thinking positive. This is the study which all the scientists have come across with. And imagine if that 30% of our positivity is bringing such beautiful life it is giving us. And if we think complete 100% positively, so what and how our life will be. Replace your negative thoughts with the positive thoughts and just let it go. Don't get stuck with your thoughts. The emotions, the negative emotions like hatred, anger, jealousy, envy, all these emotions always deplete our energy. जब भी हमारे मन में इस तरह के विचार आते हैं, हमारा शरीर, हमारा मन ज्यादा से ज्यादा एनर्जी कंज्यूम करता है और जिससे हमारे में एनर्जी की कमी होती है, थकान होती है, सर में दर्द होता है, नींद नहीं आती है, भूख नहीं लगती है, मन हमेशा अशांत रहता है. And the moment you increase your positive energy, friendliness, compassion, mercy, gratitude, thankfulness, love, and then you can see the change in the energy of your mind and body. You will be more happy, you will be more satisfied, you will have a good night's sleep. And you will attract all the goodness around you. As you inhale, you energize your body. And as you exhale, your body gets relaxed. No matter what, you should not open your eyes. Keep your eyes shut. We consume energy. If we open our eyes, 80% of our energy is wasted. And we save the energy if we close our eyes. Eyes play a very important role when we do dhyan. बॉडी को बिल्कुल रिलैक्स रखिए. कहीं भी अकड़ नहीं होनी चाहिए, कहीं भी टेंशन नहीं फील होना चाहिए शरीर में. Eyes should be very comfortably shut. We all should be friendly towards ourselves first. हमें पहले अपने आप से दोस्ती करनी पड़ेगी. हमें अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा जैसे भी हम हैं. तभी हम दूसरों को फ्रेंडशिप दे सकते हैं. दूसरों की तरफ मैत्री की भावना रख सकते हैं. ध्यान से ही हमारा ज्ञान बढ़ता है. ध्यान से ही हमारा मन शांत होता है. और ध्यान ही हमें अपने आप से पहचान करवाता है. If you want truly to know yourself, meditation is the only answer for that. आती हुई श्वास और जाती हुई श्वास. आपका ध्यान पूरा उसी पे केंद्रित होना चाहिए. Let the thoughts come and pass by. Don't focus and concentrate on your thoughts, and don't give any importance to them. When you are in dhyan, you should always focus on your breath. The moment your mind diverts towards your thought, bring it back to your breath. इसी से हम अपने थॉट्स को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. Last 10 minutes. अगर हमें अपने मन की आवाज को सुनना है तो हमारे थॉट्स को हमें कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा। हम जितना शांत रहेंगे उतना ही हम अपने आप को सुन सकते हैं। और जहाँ शांति है भगवान हमें वहीं मिलते हैं। You can connect with your consciousness if your mind is calm and peaceful. श्वास ही हमारा गुरु है। Last 5 minutes. Bring your attention towards your breath. Last 2 minutes. We will thank all the masters, all the gurus, all the lords who were with us while we were doing meditation. Thank you for their blessings. Thank you, God, for whatever you have given me. Also for whatever you have not given me. Always be in gratitude. हमेशा भगवान के आभारी होने चाहिए। भगवान ने हमें जो भी दिया है या जो भी नहीं दिया है उसके लिए भी हमें उसके आभार मानने चाहिए। Last 1 minute. Last 30 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Now rub your palms and slowly keep it upright, very gently. Bring it down. Open your eyes. Thank you, God. Thank you, everyone. Any doubts, any questions, any queries, you are free to ask. We have 1 minute left, or you can ask on the chat, or you can personally also message me. And I would like to have your feedback. Okay. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.